Hey guys, Rich here, e-bike reviews and adventures. Well, we're going to take a look at this TST Dreamer right here. You know, we've had some trouble with it, and we finally got the controller, and we got it installed with the help of my buddy Ron. Here's the thing. So right out of the box, if you didn't see those other videos, right out of the box in pedal assist 1, it would go to 20 miles per hour. It would just rocket up there to the 20 miles an hour, which is what it's set at right now, top speed. And, you know, you put it in pedal assist 2 and nothing happened. 3, 4, and 5, nothing really changed. Everything was in pedal assist 1 and it would just rocket up there. And we rode it about 3 times over a period of several days, and it kept doing that. So I reached out to the company and said, hey, I think there's a problem with the controller. And yeah, we just didn't hear back from them. And it took a couple of weeks before we finally got a message, and the person said, sorry, been on vacation, wasn't around, so we'll see what we can do. We'll get your controller out there. And, you know, this went back and forth for a while, and then finally they said, yeah, we're going to send you a controller, but they're out of stock, so it's going to take a few weeks. And, well, the last email I got just a few days ago said that, yeah, you know, the controller's still out of stock, and it'd take a few weeks, but then the very next day I got a controller in the mail. I really don't know what's going on. I'm not happy with how that transpired. But here's the thing. We got the bike. My buddy Ron helped us out and put the controller in. Everything seems to be working fine, so I'm going to take it for a spin. Thought I'd bring you along. But before I do, just a quick little recap of what the bike is all about. This is the TST bike. That's the brand name. The model is called the Dreamer. It's got a 1300 watt rear hub motor right here, so huge motor. About 80, I think it was 85 newton meters of torque or something, so it's got nice pep to it. We've got a 15 amp hour battery inside here, and the rest is really, you know, we do have hydraulic brakes. Not familiar with the name brand. The bike looks nice. I mean, just overall, it's a nice looking bike, but there's a couple things on it that just, I don't know. You know, I think the retail price on this is like $1,100 or maybe it's $11.99. I'm not sure. So for that price, yeah, I mean, it's good. It's okay, I suppose. You know, we've got suspension front forks here that, you know, you can't lock them out or you can't adjust them, so it is what it is. The headlight's really super small, but it's got good tires on it. I believe these were, yeah, this is the Chow Yang tire, so nice knobs on it there. Let's see here. Got a nice thumb throttle on the lift, a nice little display here. I have never seen this display before, but it actually works well. This is a little unique, though. It does have a twisty shifter for your 7-speed, so that's different. The rear rack is kind of small. Yeah, but it has a rack, so that's important. So you can haul a little stuff back there. So yeah, so just a few, just a little update there on that. But yeah, let's just take this thing for a ride and see how she performs. See if it is in fact fixed. We're going to power it up here. Get that display powered up. Boom. Going to drop it in pedal assist 1, and we're going to hope that it performs correctly, and it's just going to give us pedal assist 1. So let's get out here into the street. Again, this bike's got a lot of pep. Oh, if I can get going. Here we go. So let's see what happens. Start the pedal rotation. It's not rocketing me up to 20 miles an hour, that's for sure. So we're doing about 6 miles an hour in pedal assist 1. That's great. Pedal assist 2. Nice, smooth, gradual take up. Now we're doing about 8 or so. 9. And I think we're going to reach 10. So yeah, there's 11. Nice and slow and gradual. I'm putting a little effort into it, fighting the motor a little bit. So it wants to drop back down to 10 in pedal assist 2. That's good though. That is really good. Let's get turned around here. Let's bump it up in the pedal assist 3. There it is. It certainly doesn't, you know, rocket you forward. It's a nice, slow, gradual, comfortable increase in speed, which is good. So I do like that, because a lot of bikes, when you switch the pedal assist over here, it just kind of lurches forward and takes off with you. So I do like that it appears to be a nice, controlled acceleration there. So here's pedal assist 4, picking on up speed here. Again, barely felt the difference initially, and it just slowly, gradually picks on up speed, so that's good. I'm going to go ahead and hit pedal assist 5. It's really nice and smooth on the pedal, I tell you that. So I'm in like 7th gear over here, not using the throttle. But in 7th gear, I'm hitting 19. There's 20. And I've still got a lot of pedal resistance. So that is nice. That's nice. There's no ghost pedaling at all. And if we unlock this bike, we'd probably be able to continue on up there, 23, 24, 25 or so, probably with no ghost pedaling. Because this is really nice pedal resistance right here. And it hit 21 momentarily, then it settled back in. So, yeah, good smooth riding bike. So I'm happy that we got the controller fixed. I'm happy to see how this thing actually performs now, with it working properly. And so far, super nice. And it handles well. It's balanced well, no wobble in the front or anything. So that's doing that's real nice. I mean, some bikes they'll wobble and shake if you turn loose of them a little bit, right? So nice, comfortable pedal at 18. There in pedal assist 5. Nice, good resistance on the pedal. Brakes feel good. Let's do a quick brake test. So we're just going to rock it on up here a little faster. There's about 18, 19, and we're going to hit the brakes. So nice. I could have locked up the brakes. As you know, if you're new, or if you've been around this channel, you know I don't like to lock up the brakes, but I could have. We'll do that real quick here. See there? I could have locked up the brakes. We still got lots of grip here in the brakes. So pretty good. Pretty good stopping power. Happy with that. Let's go ahead and try this shifter out over here. So we're going to drop it down in the 6th. So as soon as I drop it in 6th, there's a big difference between 6 and 7. I've got nothing but ghost pedal now. Can't keep up with it. So we're going to go ahead and drop it down, maybe in pedal assist 3, slow it down a little bit. There we go. Maybe even pedal assist 2. So we'll keep it in pedal assist 2. So I'm in what, 5th gear? Go ahead and drop it down a little bit more. It shifts fine. And there it is in 1. So if we wanted to get started in 1st gear, you know what? If we put this in 0, let's see what happens. So there should be no pedal assist right now. And so 1st gear is pretty comfortable. I mean, you could pedal this to get home if you ran out of battery. You know, you can sit here in 1st gear, and we can even pop it back up in the 2nd gear probably. Yeah, that's a little stiff. But in 1st gear, very doable. You know, you're only going to go about 6-7 miles an hour, but very doable to get home if you needed to. I don't care to do that today. Let's use our pedal assist. It is too hot in Florida. Yesterday, heat index was like 105. The day is young, but the heat is boiling here, shooting up pretty quick, so I'm going to put this back up in about 7th gear or so. Yeah, super nice. So hey, that's going to be it for this video. I just wanted to share with you that, you know, we got the TST bike fixed. Everything seems to be functioning properly now, which I'm very happy with. So that's going to be it for this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. If you're new here, subscribe, because hey, on this channel you get honest reviews. I tell you the good, the bad, and sometimes the ugly. And we're going to stay away from those street sweepers up there. And yeah, so if you have any comments or questions, drop them down below. I try to get to them, but it's getting harder and harder as the channel grows. So we also leave it up to the community to try to answer some questions for us. Hey guys, that's going to be it. You guys ride responsibly, ride safe. See you in another video real soon.